Hi there. This video will give you valuable insights into understanding the various franchising methods and how to pick the one that suits your requirement. I will also review SMEdeals.com, a business acquisition portal that is emerging as a powerhouse to hasten the process of business acquisition. Register with SMEdeals.com for free to find the top franchise opportunities in Pune or any other city in India. I will strongly recommend you to watch the complete video so that you can make a well-informed decision. Franchising is one of the popular options for business presence across the geography of India. The essence of franchising is bringing local presence to a national brand. The model works on brand equity, and sales are often directly proportional to the brand reckoning among the consumers. A local entrepreneur who knows the local market and the local consumer well is often the ideal franchisee. The franchisor grants rights to a franchisee to independently distribute or sell his branded products for an agreed commission or royalty fee. The success of franchising as a model for business expansion can be attributed to multiple factors, the most critical factor being the brand of the product. The pervasiveness of the brand, customer loyalty, and market acceptance leads to brand equity. There are three fundamental methods of franchises that exist in the market: 1. Business franchises, 2. Product franchises, and 3. Manufacturing franchises. While the concept is the same, each one operates differently. The franchisor allows the franchisee to run independently with an established business, including its name and trademark. The franchisor handholds the franchisee in running their businesses. The franchisee pays fees and royalties. Typical examples include McDonald's, Burger King, Pizza Hut, etc. The manufacturers allow retailers to distribute products and use names and trademarks. Typically, the manufacturers control how retail stores distribute their products. The commercials cause the franchisee to pay fees or buy a minimum amount of products. Examples include distributors of domestic electrical appliances, automobile tires, etc. The franchisor grants a manufacturer the right to produce and sell merchandise using its name and trademark. This method of franchise arrangement is common among food and beverage industries. Soft drink brands like Coca-Cola and Pepsi are examples whereby the brand owner sells the syrup concentrate to the bottling company that prepares and bottles the drinks for sale. Under a franchise arrangement, the benefits to a franchisor include regular royalty payments, expansion with reduced financial risk, and a greater presence. The arrangement allows franchisors to expand much more quickly across the geography of India. The franchisor's investment is lesser compared to an expansion through a branch network. Labor issues and logistics are also minimized under this structure. Franchisee benefits include reduced product risk, lower starting costs, existing brand recognition, and parent company marketing support. Potential franchisees can select an opportunity based on their location, interests, financial and other resources, and local demand. This indicates that most franchise arrangements have a great deal of flexibility. Since the franchisor company is broadly responsible for the success of their retail outlets, they will impart a sustained effort to make sure their businesses run efficiently and ensure the supply chain. What are you waiting for? Register on SME Deals to harness its full potential. SME Deals is your best bet to identify and acquire the top franchise opportunity in India quickly. Click on the link below to register and subscribe for SME Deals at the latest offer. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, and share it. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified for all my future videos.